Copying data in Excel is easy, but when you want to paste data, it can be hard to know which option to choose. I often end up selecting the wrong thing and having to hit undo. In Excel 2010, however, there's a new feature that makes pasting data really easy. This feature lets you preview how the pasted data will look on your worksheet. Let me show you what I mean. I want to add the sales data from May to my worksheet. First, I'm going to copy the May data. In this case, the data I'm copying includes formatted text. If I right-click the cell where I want to paste this copied content, I get a menu that lists some of the common paste options. If I point to different paste options, Excel gives me a preview of what they will look like before I actually click an item. The paste option, for example, pastes the same thing I copied, including the cell contents and formatting. If I point to the values option, I just get the data and no formatting. I can also point to this arrow to view more paste options. In this case, I want to paste the data and formatting. Previewing your data before pasting it into the cell is also useful if you're working with formulas. Let me show you. Now that I have the sales data for May in my worksheet, I want to include a subtotal row, just like the other columns of data. The subtotal is calculated using a formula, so I'll start by copying the subtotal for column E. Now let's see what happens when I go to paste the data in. The paste option includes the blue formatting and my formula, which Excel is smart enough to change from summing the cells in column E to column F. The values option will simply paste the values from my copied cell without any formatting. The formulas option pastes only the formula and no formatting. And the formatting option pastes just the blue formatting and no data. In this case, I want to paste both the formatting and the formula. Notice this little icon that appears when I paste my data? This is a handy way for me to change my paste options after I've made my selection. There is no preview for these options, but it's a quick way for me to change my mind, which is pretty cool. And notice that there are screen tips that provide more information to help me make the right decision. The icon will disappear once I start typing in another cell.